Today we are making leek and potato soup, and we're going to start off by taking a whole white onion and just sauteing it directly into the pot that we're cooking it in. Then we're going to chop up 2 big leeks and about 7 small yellow potatoes, and then we're going to go ahead and put the leeks directly in the pot with the onions once they're sauteed. I don't know why my cameraman's all the way over here, but we're just gonna work with it. Okay, so now we got the leeks in the pot, and now it's time to add some seasoning. So we're gonna take a teaspoon of thyme and just put it right on there directly on the leeks, and then we are going to do a half a teaspoon of black pepper and just directly on there, and then a fourth of a teaspoon of salt. You can use table salt, you can use sea salt, you can use any kind of salt, just don't use the salt that they put on the roads for the snow. And then we're going to stir it around, mix it all good, and then we're going to add about like a handful of bacon. I did 2 because I have really little hands, but it's really for flavor, so you don't have to worry about really overdoing it. Then we need to do about a clove of garlic. I just had what was left in my minced garlic jar, so I threw a little bit of the chicken broth that I was going to use in here and gave it a good shake, and then I went ahead and added it in. And then give it a good little mix and make sure everything is well and incorporated in there. Then we're going to go ahead and start adding in our liquids. We're going to do potatoes, but then after we do the potatoes, we're going to do our liquids. Give them a good stir. Of course, you got to get them all mixed in real good. Get it all well incorporated. How many times can I say that? Then we're going to add 2 cartons of chicken broth or chicken stock, whatever you want to call it, which is about the equivalent to 8 cups. So if you're not using a carton, do about 8 cups. And then just for good measure, to make sure there's enough liquid, we're going to do about 1.5 cups of water. Just dump it right on in. Then of course, give it a good mix in. Now you're going to get it to like a raging boil, and then you're going to put the lid on it and kind of move it down to where it simmers. Set it for 25 minutes, and then once it's done doing that, you're going to add just a little bit of heavy whipping cream. I mean, that's probably about 1/4 of a cup, maybe a third, maybe a fourth, and you're going to mix it until it changes color, and now you have a nice, beautiful, delicious fall soup. I hope you enjoy.